Hey everyone, how's it going? So to continue with a lot of our winter and Christmas drawings, today I want to show you guys how to draw a snow globe. So I like to start off by tracing something that's circular. So I'm just going to use this little circular lid, and instead of putting it right in the middle like this, I'm going to put it up just a little bit. Then I'm going to take my marker and I'm just going to draw a nice circle that just goes all the way around it. Just like that. Now, I'm going to start off with the base of the snow globe. So there's lots of different bases that you can draw. I'm just going to do something simple. So starting right about here, I'm just going to make a little line that's just going to kind of curve around. And I'm just going to go down and then kind of bring it up to right about here. Then I'm going to draw a line that just goes down like this. And then another one over here that does the same thing. Then I'm going to just draw a line that has just a little bit of a curve to it. And it's just going to kind of go down and then come back up to here. And then right here, I'm just going to draw a little line. It's just going to curve and then it's going to come around. And then right back up to here. So now that I have the actual shape of the snow globe, I want to draw some of the little details inside. So let's make a nice little winter scene. So starting right about here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to be a little wavy, and it's just going to go from one side to the other like this. And that'll be our snow. Now, inside of here, I want to put a little snowman. So really easy, I'm going to start off just by drawing a circle shape like this for the head of our snowman. And then right underneath this, I want to give him a scarf. So I'm going to draw two little lines that come down. And then I'm going to draw another line that just connects it with like a curve. Then I'm going to draw a small rectangle right here for like the little tail of the scarf. And then I'm just going to put a few little lines on the bottom. Then right here where the scarf is, I'm going to make a line that just kind of curves out and comes back in. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this side just to kind of show where the body of the snowman is. Now, I want to keep the snowman's face really simple. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a nice circle shape, and I'm going to color in all of it except for one little spot right towards the top. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here, just a little circle shape, and I'm going to color all of it in except for one little spot on the top. Next, we want to make the little carrot nose. So I'm actually going to draw a little line that goes up and then down and then just kind of curves around for the nose. We'll make it kind of like pointing up. And then I'm going to add a couple little curved lines on it. Now I'm just going to give him a really simple smile, so we'll just make a nice little curved line underneath here for the mouth. And then I want to give him a hat. So we'll make kind of like a little Santa hat. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make some bumpy lines that just go from one side of the head to the other. You want to make sure that they're not touching the top of the snowman's head. And then I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to curve up and then down like this. And then I'm going to make a little line that's just going to curve back. Then right at the end, I'm just going to draw a little bumpy, kind of like cloud shape right there. Now, I'm going to give my snowman scarf just some little lines that go down, and then some little lines that go across. And then I'm just going to color in 2 little black dots for the buttons on him. Now, over here, I also want to make like a little tree. So the tree is going to be really easy. So to draw the tree, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go up and then down just like this. And then when I connect them, I'm actually going to connect them with a little wavy line. And then I'm going to draw 2 more little lines that come out. And I'm going to connect these with like a little zigzag line. And this is going to show that there's like snow on top of here and then like the green part of the tree right there. So then I'm going to do that again. I'm going to draw 2 lines that go out. This one's going to go right to the snowman. I'm going to make like a little wavy line right here. And then my next one's going to be a nice zigzag line all the way over to the snowman. Then I'm going to do the same thing, little line out, just kind of make it wiggly all the way to here. And then I'm just going to draw this line down and then make a little zigzag. And then right here, I'm just going to draw 2 lines down for the trunk of the tree. Now, of course, inside of here, we have to have some snow falling because it's a snow globe. So I'm just going to make some circles all around here that are just kind of falling all over so that it looks like a real snow globe. And you can make these different sizes, and you can put as many in here as you want. I'm just going to throw a few more in. And there you go. There is your drawing of a cartoon snow globe. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.